This degree program helps students to think differently about everything that's around them. We're taking things that are familiar. Trees are familiar, bamboo, hemp. So many materials that are out there are familiar to us, but we're using them in different ways. We're looking to use nature as the source of our inspiration and innovation.
In sustainable biomaterials, we also focus on newer, innovative materials such as mycelium and a plethora of other materials, and you can even get involved in creating a new material for us to use.
There are four tracks you can follow within sustainable biomaterials. First is residential structures. The second track is in business. Thirdly, we have a track in chemistry. Lastly, we have the Creating Sustainable Societies track. The 3D printing that I'm doing is part of an undergraduate research project that I'm doing in our department. I designed my own roller bearing and proceeded to 3D print it, mill it out of wood and out of aluminum to compare the energy, costs, time, and emissions related to each process.
S-Bio is very similar to engineering in a lot of ways in the calculations and the math side. We do a lot of work with mechanics, but there's also a lot of social science aspects as well. So you can design something, but then you also have to figure out how to make it work. And that's why I love it so much, is I can connect the science with the people.
The excitement, the energy in this department is because we do action-based research and education. This is not about historical concepts or historical systems. This is about all the possibilities for the future. How can we have skyscrapers and vibrant, thriving cities that don't need concrete and steel and mining operations? How can we innovate so that the airplanes that are flying us around the world can then biodegrade at the end of their lives with zero waste and net zero carbon? So this is really about crafting and creating and innovating for the future, and we need a materials base to do that.